963 miles of roads. I live in northeast Iowa. If I put them all in a straight line, I could end up in the Gulf of Mexico. We're responsible for the construction and maintenance of roads and bridges. If you look at where the real problems with bridges are, we talk about all these horrible large numbers of bad bridges, but the vast majority of them is on the local system, on the counties and in the cities. We also need to be looking at the various options out there for economical solutions, and the steel can be the answer. I replaced steel bridges from 1870, 1872, 1875. And I like to put it in perspective. General Custer fought in the Battle of Little Bighorn in 1876 after these bridges were built, and we were still using them up till a few years ago. And so steel is definitely one of the sustainable options that we have out there. There was a point in time they built a lot of wooden structures, and that's really where a lot of my biggest problems are, is the wood piling. Well, if we've gone to the steel H piling, we've eliminated most of those problems. Even if it's just bare steel, we're still getting really good service life. Thinking the world's changing, the water's changing, everything's changing out there, so look for more durable ways of doing it. So we're doing a lot of galvanizing at the present time. And we know we can make a long, sustainable product that way. Some of the things that in this world right now that's truly happening is the buried soil structures. And I'll regularly hear from the farmers, well, why don't you just throw in a big culvert? Well, yeah, you can only get culverts so big. But now you start looking at buried soil structures. Here's a half a culvert, and suddenly I can span 40 or 60 feet with this half a culvert. Every day is a learning experience, in picking up that other information, learning different ways of doing things, getting involved with people and listening and learning is the whole key to it. And then you need to take that experience and education back and teach the people you're working with and how we can do things better.